Welcome to the Human Experience by Hiddenbody. For over a decade, we've explored movement in all its forms: strength, flexibility, coordination, and beyond. Our goal is to make the movement practice more inclusive and personal by sharing our unique experience. Ready to discover what your body is capable of? Go to hiddenbody.nl or click on the link below to download our free handstand guide, and let's move into today's episode.
Monday morning, physical preparedness. Right after we'll go into some handstands. Always with a smile.
Experience, Jori just destroyed her notebook. We're shooting Instagram videos and we forgot about the notebook.
Pronated. Inside.
Outside, pronated, supinated.
Good morning. It's Friday morning and I just want to share an insight about this standing practice that we're doing with our students. We're now about 2 weeks in and it's revolving around standing still. So in this Wuji stance or posture that comes from Tai Chi. So my insight today is that by standing still, you notice what is still moving, actually, what is still there. So the moment I stop, there is no real stopping in a way, because your thoughts, they keep on going, and you will actually notice how much thinking is going on, right? So my insight is also to use this into my day-to-day, so also at other moments, because we're constantly doing it, it becomes kind of like this anchor, right? I can anchor myself into this moment. The moment I stand still, I'm conscious about it. I get more conscious about it, and then I can start to tune in to my train of thoughts, but not really thinking like, oh, I have to go here, but I also have to do this. Oh, but I think that person wasn't really looking happy. All those thoughts, but then looking more at the meta position, so looking at the thought, looking at myself thinking, and being able to choose also. So choosing here to consciously look at it, and maybe in other moments in time to see if I can actually subtract some of the things that are making things harder for me in a way, or less joyful. So just noticing, what can I take away? So that was the insight. Enjoying the sun, and I wish you a beautiful day. Just ran 5K, 6 people. Fart like.
I'm like also really excited to relax my well done. Great control.
Use the land as a tail to rebalance. Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you could extract something useful out of it to put into your own movement practice. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like and subscribe, or go to hiddenbody.nl for on and offline options, or check out our free handstand guide to begin your handstand process. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.